Well, today is a day for plowing. So, if everything goes according to plan, the Jeep will start right up and we'll get right with it. Oh boy. Not sure where to put y'all. It's actually kind of raining outside. It might be better just to have you be inside, and I don't have a mount really set up in here anywhere that would work well for this. I do have a kind of a monopod thing here. I don't know if I could use that to set y'all on or not. Maybe if I took a moment or two just to try to kind of figure out how I might make this work. It's not dreadfully cold. I think it's a little above freezing. Might work to put you over there. I've got a homemade mount that will work on the shaft of the monopod. Maybe I can stick the monopod over here. Now that looks like that would be okay right there. Now I just noticed how it fell off. It's probably just the carburetor readjusted, but I may also be low on gas. I haven't put gas in this much lately. And it's one of the things that I was thinking was, well, it may run out, but it might not be a bad idea to let it run out. Turn my defroster fan on here. Might have to feel that so I can hear the fan running. Which way did it go? This might be fan here. There we go. I'm gonna go get that can of gas that's sitting in the back. I'll let this run for a few minutes while I'm doing that to just to defrost the windshield a bit. That way if I run out of gas down at the end of the driveway or out there somewhere, I can just put some gas in and keep going. I'm gonna do it. There we go. And I got a little defrost going here now. And mostly I like to try to operate the Jeep pretty gently. I used to be slamming into things, but I figured out that it's better to be gentle with it if you can. Much less wear and tear on the equipment, I do believe. snow. Pushes around pretty good though. My neighbor got out here and made a few runs at this morning. Did a pretty good job of cleaning up the driveway, more or less. Actually did quite a good job, I think.